What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy. We're back. We're gonna go over Stock Sundays. What I'm watching for Monday, April 28th. So let's get into it. We're gonna start with Spy. Uh, we broke above this 550 after hours, so we can come up to that 555 level. Um, and then I'm seeing, since we're day traders, obviously we watch both sides up and down. So above 555, we could see a push into 560. Or if we get a 555 rejection, could go below 550 down to 545, 544.5. And then anywhere below here, obviously you'd be shorting into a buy zone, but you can take it from 544. I'll be watching down to 539. And then for a bounce off of that, I will not be looking for any puts until we break below 530. Really 530, 529. Below that is we can start looking for puts because that'll be a new low created. So we will see what happens. Nvidia, we're actually at a major resistance right now at that 111.70 mark right here. So if we break through that, we can go up to 114. We are kind of oversold or overbought on the RSI, so could see a little push down maybe to like 108 and then pop back up past 111. That's something kind of just gotta play as we're trading. But that's after hours, so really could see a drop back down to 105, 106 area. Um, and then if it does fall below that, we could go to back to 100. So that's what I'm watching for Nvidia. If we break this 114, we could definitely see a little squeeze up to at least 117, 122 potentially. So we'll see how that goes. Tesla, everything's overbought, by the way, so we're definitely overextended. Tesla, we're currently at 285. We called this whole play and sold early. If you don't do that, what are you doing, right? So we're up at this resistance right now in Tesla. Tesla over 285. I'll take 292, 293. If we break that 293, we do have a bearish order block right there up to 302. But I do think if it passes 293, we could take it to 305 to those next tops, right? To the next resistance. And then below, right, we could take 275, 271 would be a bounce zone. Below 271, I would take to 265.5. And then that would be a good relief bounce right there. If we break below 260, we could potentially take that all the way down to 252 or down to 246, right? 252 would be an initial TP from 259 to 252. Would be a great trade. But that's a far way down. So right now we're just looking for relief bounces. We'll see if that's the direction the market wants to go, or if we want to continue down. Then we'll adjust accordingly. Meta, looking at Meta again, 1 hour time frame. We're on this little uptrend right now. We are approaching a major resistance that we rejected off of on Friday. So if we break above 557 on Meta, let's chart this real quick. Break above 557, 556.5 on Meta. Could see a push back up to 565, potentially 570. So that's what I'll be watching for calls with, which would definitely be 565 would be first TP. And then at 568, 569, we're in that sell zone. So I would look for, I would take profits there unless we break above 570. Then we could see new highs, 582, 590. Let's put that there as well. And yeah, so that is all I'm watching for Monday, April 28th. Again, it's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. We're out.